How can you make it easier to read and navigate your Outlook inbox? To quickly navigate in your inbox, consider enlarging the subject lines and column heading text or altering their font for better readability, especially if you're working with a high resolution display. The following steps apply to Classic Outlook. To change the font size in your Outlook message list, first, from the Mail view, go to View. Next, pick View Settings. Choose Other Settings, and here you see the default choices for the font. For instance, I might want to change that column font to be 10 point, and that will impact my headings. Now I'll choose my row font, and let's make that a little bit bigger. I could also pick the style and have that be something different as well. So for here, I'll pick 12 point, and let's go ahead and OK. There are other changes I could make here as well. My rows are now 12 point. So this makes this a little bit more readable for me as I'm reviewing or navigating my content. It's good to know that this font change only applies to messages you've opened or read, so you might not fully have the desired result. The default in Classic Outlook is to display unread messages in blue and bold. Although it's a bit inconsistent with the steps I just shared, you can also change how unread messages display. So to modify that, we go back to View and View Settings. But this time, pick Conditional Formatting. And here we have unread messages. So this is built into Outlook. And currently, we have this font as 11 point. It's a little different because I can't change the point size, but I can go to big. And you'll notice here it's regular. Maybe I'll make that bold, and let's make that bold italics. I could also change the color if I wanted to as well. So here's a preview of what I'll get, and OK back. So that's exactly what I want. So now it's a lot easier for me to read the subject line and other information about my messages. It's good to know that the conditional formatting option can also format and highlight specific messages, such as from a key client or your boss. To learn more about working with conditional formatting, click the link above or find the link in the video description below. How will you change the display of your Outlook messages to make it easier to view and navigate your inbox? To learn more ways to be productive with Microsoft Outlook or to join my free tips letter, visit thesoftwarepro.com/outlook. If this training was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for other time-saving software tips. Thanks for watching.